Hey, what's up guys? So you have some Samsung Galaxy Buds. I'm going to show you how you can basically skip a track, pause, play, increase, decrease volume simply by tapping or tap and holding, okay? Very, very simple. So first thing is we need to go to your Galaxy Wearables app. So go over where that is. By default, it's in this Samsung folder right here, Galaxy Wearable right there, and then top three horizontal lines. Just tap that and make sure you go to the Galaxy Buds. You may have to connect it up here. You can see mine's already connected. Now if I just go ahead and tap on tips here, now you can see what it does. So basically it says right here, it says to tap, to play or pause. So on my right ear here, I can tap it, pause the music or video. I tap it again, it's going to resume. Or I can even tap it once, pause it, and then tap my left earbud to resume. Okay, it doesn't matter which side you use. Okay, so one tap is play or pause. Double tap is play the next track or answer or end the call. Don't forget, double tap. Move over here. Now there's a triple tap too. You tap it 3 times, it'll go to the previous track or the previous video. And if you touch and hold, that's basically going to go ahead and reject or decline a call. Now you can also decrease and increase the volume using your buds as well, okay? But you have to configure that. Simply go back to this area here and then go to touchpad. And then right here it says touch and hold, or touch and hold touchpad, okay? So now by default it's synced to Bixby. So if you press and hold one of the earbuds, Bixby is going to go ahead and initiate, okay? But you can do this too. Like the left ear here, we can pop that on here. And there's other things that we can do here. You can do ambient sound, quick ambient sound. Anyways, we can do volume down. So for the left side, we can go ahead and do volume down, and the right side turns into volume up, okay? So you can basically just touch and hold. It'll increase or decrease the volume depending on the left and right. Anyways, that's how I like to set mine up. Good luck, guys.